Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to a Daft Scots Lass, happy birthday to me, and many more. Well, hello Plonkers, and today, yes you have guessed it, it is my birthday. So today I thought I'd do a wee vlog instead of blogging, because it's my birthday, can't you guess? And wanted to just say happy birthday to me and show you in my birthday crown in all my glory, and to talk about the winner of this week's Caption My Freaky Photo, which was of course Bushman. You must go and check out his website. He is a very funny bloke, and not only that, he had me and my hubby in stitches this week with this caption. So go and read the post, a couple of posts before this one, and you'll see what he captioned the photo. I really look forward to the Caption My Freaky Photo every week. It just seems to be getting better and better. And you guys are awesome. You keep me smiling every single day that I get a new comment for that post. I thoroughly enjoy it. So please keep commenting. You know, even if I can't make everybody winners every week, just keep commenting. It's my it's my birthday if you didn't know already. And Daft Scots Lass always has to wear a birthday crown on her birthday. And so hopefully I'm gonna get some cake, because you know, a birthday's not a birthday without birthday cake, right? And blowing your birthday candles out. So, but I've just got back from the doctor actually, and the doctor said that I've got a really bad middle ear infection and throat infection, so I should really take it easy. So no whiskey for me this week, which I could, you know, it really doesn't bother me because I hate whiskey. After my last episode where I felt so bad that I wanted to die, literally. So this year on my birthday I'm going to take it a lot slower. No whiskey. I'm still going to have cake. Sorry diet, but I've been so good for 6 days. I'm sure that one piece of cake is not gonna like break the bank. Well, you know what? It probably is, but fuck it, it's birthday, right? Go and get yourself a glass of wine. Just open yourself a bottle of wine and have it on me. And if you don't have any wine, go get yourself a whiskey. And if you don't have any whiskey, go and get yourself some fucking rum and raisin ice cream or something. I don't know, something alcoholic, you know, I don't know, suck on one of those liqueur mints or something. Anyway, so happy birthday again to me, and you know, come and visit soon, leave your comments and all that sort of junk, and that's it. Cheerio Plonkers, bye. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me.
Stick around.